Dear members of AFRAA, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, with a great satisfaction and enthusiasm, Angola will be the host country of the 57th AFRAA General Assembly in Luanda. TAAG, the national flag carrier, welcomes you to our beautiful country. Angola is a destination full of diverse ecosystems and several interesting regions for tourism, such as tropical climate, exotic landscapes, culture, history, warm people, and many unique experiences that captivate everyone who visits Angola. We believe that the aviation sector in Africa is a crucial to development of our nations and to connectivity with the major decisions worldwide. Our presidency of AFRAA will focus on the values of cooperation, intra-African connectivity, and partnership as a means of enhancing the competitiveness of continent's airlines. TAAG's vision is to be the airline of choice for passenger and cargo service, connecting Southern Africa to the world, with a strong emphasis on sustainability and innovation. Aviation plays a very important role in the cohesion of our country by connecting the most remote regions and enabling the mobility of people and goods, regionally and intercontinental, to the Americas, Europe, and Asia destinations operated by TAAG. Angola strategic locations make the country a relevant player in north-south and transatlantic connections. The Angolan government is empowering aviation via structural reforms in organization, delivering human resources, capabilities while promoting the attraction of the new Luanda International Airport. Key infrastructure that will boost Luanda as a regional hub. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy Angola. Please connect and network. We wish everyone a successful event. Thank you.